Hi and welcome to my English language course. This course is designed for all levels of English students. The topic is family life. Listen and repeat. Tina Smith, wife, mother. Michael Smith, husband, father. Tonya Smith, daughter, sister. Aaron Smith, son, brother. Siblings: older brother, younger sister. Grandparents: grandmother, grandfather. Twins: yard, house, living room, car, kitchen. A pet dog, cat. At home, eating dinner. In the garage. In the garden. Listening to music. Cooking. Washing the car. Watching TV. Angry. Happy. Pretty. Tired. Sentences using the verb be. She is my sister. He is my husband. We are eating. They are watching TV. Here is some family vocabulary. Nuclear family includes the mother, father, son, and daughter. Extended family includes uncles, aunts, cousins, in-laws, grandparents, and so on. Spouse is a husband or wife. In-laws are relatives by marriage, the family of the spouse. A generation consists of all the people in one stage of a family. Listen and repeat. Who's this? It's Estelle's father. Is this Estelle's sister? Yes, that's Cathy. Who's this girl? It's Tom's girlfriend, Donna. And who's this? I don't know. The Powell family. We are an American family. My name is Catherine. I am 19 years old. My brother is 22. His name is Tim. I am a student. My brother is a student too. My father is a business executive. His name is Peter. He is 58. My mother is a housewife. She is 55. Who is Mr. Powell's wife? Who is Tim's sister? Who is Catherine's father? Who is Mrs. Powell's husband? Who is Catherine's brother? Who are Catherine's parents? Who are Mr. Powell's children? Who are Tim's parents? The Matthews family is at home. The boys are in the yard. They are listening to music. Mrs. Matthews is in the living room. She is reading a book. Mary is in her bedroom, eating a banana. Mr. Matthews is in the dining room. He is drinking a cup of coffee. Use complete sentences to answer these questions. Are the boys cooking in the kitchen? Is Mr. Matthews reading a book? Is Mrs. Matthews eating a banana? Is Mary washing the car? Label this family tree.